All right. I'm going to share a page with you. We're going to start. We're not waiting for anybody anymore. We have a lot to cover today. Ịbụ Chukwu onye dị mma, ịbụ Chukwu onye dị ike, Chineke dị nsọ, ịdị ebube. Amara gị n'ebe nọ, ebere gị n'ebe nọ, ana m ebunye gị okwu ekele. Chukwu gọzie ezinụlọ m, gọziere m nne na nna m, biko gọziere m ụmụnne m, gọziere m ikwu na ibe m, ma ndị enyi niile, ana m ebunye gị okwu ekele. Ịbụ Chukwu onye dị mma, ịbụ Chukwu onye dị ike, Chineke dị nsọ, ịdị ebube. Amara gị n'ebe m nọ, ebere gị n'ebe m nọ, ana m ebunye gị okwu ekele. Biko gọzie ezinụlọ m, gọziere m nne na nna m, biko gọziere m ụmụnne m, gọziere m ikwu na ibe m, ma ndị enyi niile, ana m ebunye gị okwu ekele. Now, everybody listen up. I keep singing this because next week or next 2 weeks, I will appoint one person to sing it. So you better know it. I sent the lyrics, I sent the recording. So listen to it. If you don't have a phone, please tell mommy or daddy to put it on for you. So I would like to appoint somebody next week to sing it. All right. So tata bogeni. Today, tata mobota means today. Okay, we have a lot to do. We're gonna go over the greetings again because I want you to start using these words. Greet your parents, greet your siblings, your uncles or aunties when you see them somewhere, or maybe in your house, or maybe in their house. Just use the words, okay? It's very, very important. We have greetings here. Greetings means ekele. 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 Some people say ekene. Ekele means greetings. Ekele, greetings. When I say it, I would like you to sound it. You can do that. I muted everybody, so you can sound it because I want to make sure you know it. And don't forget, you're going to do your homework and send to me. I know most of you didn't do your homework. Very few people did. And I'm paying attention to that. And don't forget that if you're not doing your homework, I had a parent meeting the other day. If you don't do your homework, auntie may kick you out. You have to do your homework. You have to know what we are doing. I'm not gonna kick you out right now. But if I send a homework or assignment and you don't do it, hey, that's a problem. We need to really be serious in this class. You have to be serious. You want to learn this language, you have to do your assignment. And parents, take note. You have to have the younger ones do their homework. And then the younger adult, if you don't feel comfortable sending it to the platform, you are free to send it to me. Please, everybody must do their homework. We need to be serious. Dalon. Greetings means what? Ekele. Ekele. Good morning. Ototo. Oma. Ototo. Oma. Good afternoon. Ehihie. Oma. Ehihie. Oma. Good evening. Mgbede. Mgbede. Oma. Mgbede. Oma. Everybody should sound it. You have to repeat after me. Okay, feel free to do that. You are not going to disturb anybody. I want you to sound it. Good evening means ehihie. Okay. Good evening means mgbede, ọma. Mgbede, ọma. Good afternoon. Ehihie, ehihie, ọma. Ehihie, ọma. Ọma means good. You see the word here? Ọma. Ọma simply means good. So, ọma means good. I want you to know that Oma is nothing but what? Good. So we're gonna say Oma. Oma means good. Okay? That something is good, good or fine. All right? So Oma means good or fine. All right. Good morning. Ụtụtụ ọma. Good afternoon. Ehihie ọma. Good evening. Mgbede ọma. You woke up in the morning, greet whoever you see, okay? Whether it's your sibling, your parent, your friend, or anybody. You have to say it in Igbo, no more in English, please. Now, good night. If you see me on the road, you say anyase ọma. Or if I see you, I will also say the sentence. When I come to your house in the night, you can say anyase ọma. But when I'm leaving your house, you say kachifo, kachifo. Or when you are leaving my house, I can say kachifo, kachifo. It means may the night done well, okay? It's also another good night. But this one, kachifo, is when somebody is leaving your house or when you're leaving somebody's house at night. When you come to my house and you're leaving at night, I will say kachifo. It means may the night done well. And then the response, if you're the one that said kachifo to me, then I will say to you, ka obo. Ka obo means may it done well too, as well. Okay. It's like saying likewise. Okay. Ka obo. Ka obo. Kachifo. When I'm leaving your house at night, or when you're leaving my house at night, you can say it to me, I can say it to you. It doesn't matter whether you are leaving my house or whether I'm leaving your house. Or maybe we went to a party. I see you there at a party. In a party there, I'm like, okay, I'm leaving. And then you can say, kachifo. I can say, ka obo. But if I'm the one that said kachifo to you, you can say to me, ka obo, which is the response, okay? Ka obo. You're not, you can also say kachifo as well. It doesn't matter. Okay? Now, if I see you on the way, instead of saying hi, I say ndewo. Ndewo means hi. Ndewo. Just to be very friendly, you say ndewo. Okay? And then I can say back to you, ndewo. You can say it to anybody. Okay? Ndewo. Also, you can say ndewo. Like you say something to me, you were very nice to me, or you say, I say ndewo. Okay? And now, when maybe you want to talk to people, you say ndewo no group of people. Not one person, two or more. Not one person. When you're about to talk to one person, two people or more, you say ndewo no. That no is showing that you're not talking to one person. You're talking to more than one person. You're talking to two people and more. Okay? Two people or more people. All right. So ndewo no. Or maybe you just walk into people and you wanted to say hello. Hello all. You say ndewo no. See that? I mean, hello, you all. Hello, all. Okay. Hi. You say ndewo no when you are talking to more than one person. But if it's only one person, ndewo. Okay. Don't forget. Now we're moving on. Now we're going to gender. This is gender specific. When it comes to male, female, boy, girl, okay, mother, father, a child, an adult, that's what we're gonna do now. Now, if it's a female, okay, if it's a female, a female is like a woman, a male is like a man or a boy. So female, a woman or a girl. Now, but then when it comes to a woman and a girl, we have something we call them. So you need to pay attention. Now, okay, a female, which is a woman, okay? A female is one. Nwanye. Can everybody say nwanye? Okay, so you need to know how to say that. Nwanye, female. Nwoke, male. Nwoke is male. Okay, nwoke, male. Nwanye, female. Okay, you know what is female, you know what is male. Okay, if you're a boy or a man, you are nwoke. If you are a woman or a girl, you are nwanye. Know that. Female, nwanye. Male, nwoke. All right. Now, nwata. If it's a baby, a little baby, like a year old or 5 days old. So when it comes to a baby, little baby, it's called nwata. Nwata. Now, a newborn baby, like today, a newborn baby, let's do that one. Okay? A newborn baby. Now, you know what is newborn? A child born today or yesterday. A newborn baby is nwa ọhụrụ, okay? Nwa ọhụrụ, nwa ọhụrụ, okay? Don't forget. Nwa ọhụrụ. We need to punctuate the vowels. We have how many vowels here? We have 3 vowels. So we're going to punctuate them. We have 3 vowels. And we're going to punctuate the vowels here. Nwa ọhụrụ. Okay. We have O and O and another O. So they are vowels. We're going to still do vowels. We haven't done it, but we are going to get there. Okay. So a newborn baby is nwa ọhụrụ. You can sound it. Don't forget to repeat after me. Nwa ọhụrụ means a newborn baby. Now, nwata. Nwata is a baby. Now, a baby is no longer a newborn baby. A baby can be like 5 months, 3 months, 2 months, 1 month, okay, 6 months, 1 year. Now, once we get up to that, it's not a toddler. It's still a baby, okay? But you know what I mean by a baby, a little baby, okay? A newborn is different from a baby. A newborn is a baby today, born today, or maybe yesterday, or 3 days or 4 days. But once you get to month up, it's a baby now, okay? They are all babies. They are all babies, but we're trying to be specific. We're trying to be specific, meaning we're trying to, name them. We're not trying to group them. That's a big difference when you're born today or when you are born like last month or 3 months ago. That's what we're trying to do here, okay? Just like we have male, female. Male, female. Male are both a man, a boy. Female are both woman or a girl. But now we're going to separate a man from a boy, a woman from a girl. So pay attention, okay? Because we're going to have a quiz next week. If you're in this class, you need to be serious. All right? Everybody should be serious. If you are not serious, you know what's gonna happen, right? So let's be serious. I don't want to kick anybody out because I want to be proud that I'm teaching and you're learning. Because this class is free doesn't mean you're going to come to this class and you will be playing. No, you come into this class, put your TV off, put your iPad off. You need to listen and learn. That's how Auntie is gonna be happy. Okay, I want you to just take advantage of it. Don't take it for granted. Because I noticed that because I'm offering it free, and then nobody wants to be serious. Okay, you need to be serious when you come to this class. And I want you to learn. I want to see you speaking that language because I have something you're going to present in 2 months. You're going to act it, you're going to present it. Everybody must do it. And we are going to, okay? We're going to publish it here for everybody to see. You want to do very well, you need to start on time doing it when I send it. So you need to listen to me. Dallon. Now, a child. You see what I'm saying? We have newborn baby, we have a baby, we have a child. A child now is one. When I say my child, okay, it means one. My child means one. A child is one. A child means one. So all the parents that have a child or children, now a child, when I'm going to say my child, I will say one. But simply, a child is one. I didn't say my child. A child, just one. But when I say my child, it means my child, which is one. It's not possessive. It's mine. If you say my spoon, you say ngajim. That's when you put that me, that M there. So when I ask you a question, you need to pay attention. When I say a child, don't tell me mwam, because when you say mwam, you are wrong. The only time you say mwam is when I say my child. Mine. M-Y means me, that M. Okay? When you put that me, you're saying my. So don't put it when I don't ask that. When I say my children, all right? So when I say, remember here I said my child. Now I'm gonna say my children. My children means omom, omo. That omo is the plural. So when you use a plural in Igbo, you put omo. Not in everything, but in this case right now, it's going to be omo. Okay? You say omom. That's what you're gonna say. Omom means my child. See, that M. This M here means mine, okay? Mine means, that's what it is. I want you to know that. Don't get confused. Mine means, I hope everybody's seeing what I'm typing. My children means omom, okay? Right now, like my twins. If I want to say my twins, I have twins. So instead of saying my child, I would say my twins or my children. But twins, there's something you call twins. Twins means ejima. We're going to put it here. I want you to know that. But we're going to do it down here, somewhere. Ejima. Ejima means twins. Okay. Twins means ejima. 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 When I say my twins, then it will be ejimam. Ejimam. When you say my mom, you know what you're supposed to say, right? Now I'm going to challenge somebody here right now. Mom means mama, okay? Mama. Father means papa. Mom means mama. Father means papa. Now let me see if somebody is listening here. Bryant, Abo. Bryant, unmute yourself. Bryant, unmute yourself. Bryant. Okay. So Brian, how do you say my father? Brian? It's Bryant. Bryant or neighbor? Bryant, how do you say my father? Papam. Dalo. Kwara onwegi aka. When I say kwara onwegi aka, it means clap for yourself. Okay, so make sure you pick this word. Kwara onwegi aka. Kwara aka means hand. You see why I wanted you to learn your head to toe? Because we're going to be using this words. When I say kwara, kwara means kwaka, means clap your hands. Kwaka means clap your hands. When I say kwara onwegi, onwegi means yourself. Onwegi, yourself. Kwaka means clap your hands. Okay? When I say kwara onwegi aka, it means clap for yourself. Everybody, make sure you're listening. Okay. Now, let's move on because I want us to finish this gender. Okay. So we said, my child. Nwa anyị, our. Anyị means our. Anyị means our, okay? Anyị means our. Us or we. Us or we, okay? That's what it is. Anyị means our, us or we. Anyị. When you're talking about everybody, if I'm speaking for my family, I will say Ani. If you're speaking on behalf of your family, you say Ani. If you're speaking on behalf of your classmates, you say Ani, because you're the spokesperson. You're speaking on behalf of everybody. The teacher will say, hey, Amarachi, did all of you do this? Did you do the homework? And then Amarachi will speak for everybody. Amarachi will say, we did. Then Amarachi will say, Ani mere. No, pick that words now, okay? Ani. When you use the word Ani, you're speaking for everybody, not for you. But you are the person who is going to speak for everybody. And then you use the word Ani. I want it to stick now. Now, my children, Omom. Children means Omo. Let's do that one. Children means what? Omo. Make sure you know it. And you guess what? Homework is gonna come. And if you didn't do your homework and sent to me last week, hey, you did it to yourself. But you must know everything. Don't forget, you gotta know your head to toe. You're going to know this one because we're going to have a quiz coming up. And also this one we're doing today, you're going to learn all of them. Record yourself and send to me, except the young adults, all the young adults. When I say young adults, 18 and above. If you don't feel comfortable sending it to the forum, record yourself and send to me, okay? Record yourself and send to me, but everybody must do their homework. You have to learn this. You have till Thursday to learn all this, what it is. Learn how to say them and record yourself and send to me. You're not going to be reading from a book or from a paper. Guess what? We need to be serious. I want to see and I want to know who is really serious to learn. Okay, we're not going to be hiding anymore. If you're going to be in my class, you need to learn. Okay, so, Omo. And don't forget, I'm going to back up and ask questions. So when I'm teaching, you need to listen. Listen, don't play with your toys. Don't watch TV. Okay? So, Omo means what? children. Omo, children. All right. Now, one, when you're saying sibling, you know what is sibling? Sibling means one, sibling, one. And now don't forget when I say Oluchi, I see you raising your hand. Okay, Oluchi, wait, write your question down. Okay, write your question down and then ask me. Okay, wait a minute. Let me see where you are. Oluchi, get your hand. Welia Kelu. Welia Kelu means raise your hand. Welia Aka Elu, raise your hand. Okay, Oluchi, let me see. I need to unmute you. Okay, Oluchi, unmute yourself if you have a question. Unmute.
Afambu Oluchi.
Mm-hmm.
Ewere Majuju.
Okay, well, go ahead.
So my question is, what is umuntakiri? I thought that's like
there you go.
my children.
Yes.
Is that like a different?
No. Now, nwata. What is nwata, Oluchi?
Nwata is child.
Child. Now, umuntakiri, like when you say children, okay?
Okay.
Now you can say umuntakiri. That umu represent plural, right?
Mm-hmm.
Ntakiri means small or little.
Okay.
You see, umuntakiri means little children. Ntakiri means little or small. You see that? Now you can say obere mob ntakiri. So we're gonna break it down. So when we put it together, you know. But umuntakiri means little children or small children. Now nwatakiri means a small child. So we are coming. Okay, got it. Okay, that's a good question. So sibling. Now that I think we have it coming up down there, we still have a lot. But let's add it here that Oluchi asked the question now. Okay, so we have ntakere. First of all, let's say ntakere. Ntakere means small or little. Okay, now when you say nwatakere, nwatakere means a small child. Small child or little, small or little child. Okay. When you say umuntakere, don't forget to use omo to represent plural. Okay. When you say umuntakere, 1 second. When you say umuntakere, means little children, little or small children. All right, good. I'm glad that Oluchi brought it up. So, ntakiri means something small or little. If you're giving me something now, I say, get me what I say, how much, do I feed the cup? Say, ntakiri, it means small. Okay, ntakiri means small. All right, umuntakiri, little children. Okay, now one sibling. My sibling means one name. And pay attention when I say sibling, I mean just one name. Don't tell me my sibling when I say sibling. That's why you need to pay attention. When I say sibling, I simply said one name. When I say my children, you know what I say? When I say children, so you need to pay attention to all this. Then when I say umune, pay attention, umuna, plural. It means my siblings with the S. So in Igbo language, in Igbo word, there's no such a thing as X. You don't represent anything with S, but you use this plural, which is omo, mabo, nde. So when it comes to plural with X, okay, plural with an S. So you use, now I'm gonna condense it so that we have a space for that. So you use omo or nde. I will tell you when to use nde, but just know that, okay? You use omo, mob, nde. Now moving on. Umunne means, okay. Umunnem means my siblings. Umunnem, my siblings. Umunne, okay. Umunne, okay. One, pay attention. One means your siblings, okay? One means sibling. One my sibling. Umunnem, my siblings, with the S at the end. One means sibling. No S there. No mine. One with the M means my sibling. No S. Umunnem. You then remember you had omo. You had mine, okay? So you have to have both. Umunnem. Umunnem with the S. Okay. All right. We have one. Now we're trying to combine. Remember, one means what? Okay, let me get somebody here. Let's see. Whom do I ask now? Mark Charles. Mark Charles, unmute yourself. Mark Charles, what is one? Can you unmute yourself, Mark Charles? Okay. Kenechi. Kenechi, can you unmute yourself?
Yes.
Okay. Gene wanye.
I wasn't even fun.
You weren't here. Okay. Let me ask another person.
What?
Xavier. Xavier. What is Xavier? What's wanye?
Funny.
Xavier, what is wanye?
What is she saying?
What is wanye? Remember what I said in the beginning? Okay, Xavier, what is female? Xavier, what is female?
Anya.
Wanye. Xavier, can you say wanye?
Wanya.
Dalo, Xavier. Oluchi, raise your hand. Let me see you. I want you to tell me, Oluchi, gene bu nwoke. Oluchi, gene nwoke.
Wokebu boy or man.
Dalo, Oluchi. Oluchi, gene were twins. Oluchi, back to you again. Gene were twins.
Twins boo, Ejima.
Ejima. Oh, Dalo. Dara, gene bo. I see Dara raising hand. Dara, gene wo. My children. Dara, gene wo my children. Dara, you need to unmute. Go ahead.
My children will umu.
Oh, mom, Dara, you sure? Oh, good. I'm happy you all are paying attention. Okay. Now, we're moving on here. We have one, means, remember, one is child, my child, okay? So you gotta put it together now. You know what is one? One, a child. One, my child. You know what is female, which is a girl or a woman. Now, when I say one, it means my, which what? My. Now, wait a minute. What is on the screen is one name, why? But when I say one, who will tell me what is one? You know what is nwa? You know what is nwanye? So tell me now, nwam, nwanye. See Dara raising hand. Dara, okay. Dara, what is nwam nwanye? Or is it Cheta?
Oh.
What is nwam nwanye?
No, we just forgot to lower our hand.
No. Okay. Oluchi, gịnị wụ nwam nwanye? Just
My
put it
sister.
together. Huh?
My sister.
No, remember now. Nwa is your child. It can be your sister. Don't
I
forget.
thought you said one name, one.
No, I say nwam nwanye. You know what is nwanye, right? Which is the female, right? Now, when I say
my
nwam,
daughter.
nwam is a child. My daughter. There you go. Now, when I say nwam nwoke, Oluchi, what is it?
My son.
My son. That's how you put it together. Because once you know the keywords, all you need to do, just plug it in. So I purposely didn't want to ask you what is here on the screen. So when
Okay.
we say one, because you know what is one, you know what is a child, you know what is one is female. So I wanted to see if you all can read between the lines. That is good, Dalo. So what I asked Oluchi was one. Nwanyị. Nwam, nwanyị. Because you know what is a nwa, you know what is a nwanyị, which is female. Nwa is a child. It means your daughter. Nwanyị is a girl. So it cannot be my son. It has to be my daughter. Okay, because of the gender, you have to use the gender to know what you're saying. So it's gonna be my daughter. So if I say nwa m nwoke, this is, the reason I would like everybody to listen and learn this, because it's all about putting things together. Once you know the keywords, the next thing will be you trying to know what I say. If you know this, when somebody says something out there, my child, my sister, you know what they say. And that's why it's very important you know the keywords. Then you should be able to make a sentence. Or when somebody says something in Igbo, you will pick it right away. But if you keep coming here not listening, or you are talking or you're doing something else when I'm saying it, there's no way you're going to know it. Okay, so let's work together here and get the words. Okay, so when I say nwam nwoke, because you already know what is nwoke up there. Okay, then you're going to say my son. Okay, without me even telling you, nwanne m nwanyị means my sister. Nwanne m nwoke means my brother, because you already know what is nwanne. Nwanne is sibling. So this is how you put things together. Nwanne m nwoke, my brother. Okay? Twins, ejima. A friend means enyi. Enyi means friend. When I say my friend, now you know what I mean. I'm not supposed to tell you what it is because you already know. My friend and I should be what? Enyim. Enyim. All right? Friends. Friends. Ndị enyim. Now, remember what I told you about the plural. You either use omo or nde. This is where you use nde here now. Friends, because of that X there. Friends, Indiani. I didn't say, when I say my friends, then it will be Indianim because of the M. My friends, I didn't say my friend now. I say my friends. And for you to recognize that S there, you use Indiani. You are not going to use Umweni. If you say Umweni, that is wrong. The only time you say umwenyim is my friend's children. Now, pay attention. When I say, this one says my friends, it means ndị enyi m. But when I say my friends' children, that's when you say umo to represent those children. Pay attention. You put umu here to represent those children, umu, okay? And if you paid attention so far, you will notice that mine, the noun, and the subject crisscross, okay? So, any friend. But when you say my friend, then friend will come first before mine. Did you notice that? Your friend comes first before mine. It's not this way. Do not interpret it that way. It's like this. Friend before mine. You say my hand is going to be hand before mine. You see that? Akam. You say my leg is going to be your leg before mine. Okum. My head. Isim. Better know your body parts. No excuse. You have to know all your body parts because I will give you some sentences to make. You're going to make sentences, or maybe I put it in English, you write it in Igbo. And we're going to do oral quiz. Okay? All right, so my friends' children, that would be Omo. Pay attention now. Omo. Okay, my friends. This is not one friend you're talking about. You're talking, I didn't say my friend children. I will give you another example. My Omo nde enyim. Now, let's break it down. Omo, the Omo here is the children here. That's what it's represented. That plural. Now, nde enyim are my friends. Because of this, because you're not talking about one friend, you're talking about your friends, 2 or 3 friends, and you're talking about the children of those friends. But if you say one friend, which is, pay attention here now, see how the difference. You say, my friends, with the apostrophe S. It is not the same thing as the plural. This one is singular. This, my friends, contraction, S, is singular. But the other one with no contraction is plural. Therefore, you have to represent this plural, which is nde. You have to represent mine, which is M, that me, and then friends, okay? Ndi enyi, okay? Omo, ndi enyim, because you're not talking about just one friend of yours. But here, when you say my friend's children, see how we're going to do it. That's not the sentence. Omo enyim, because you're talking about just one of your friends. One of your friends will be Omo enyim, no longer Omo ndi enyim, Omo enyim. Okay, now I'm gonna open it up. We're done. We're not gonna have time to do animals. These are the lessons that I prepared for you. Animals and kitchen things is gonna be next lesson. So we're gonna keep those ones. Now we did the greetings and gender specific today. We are not even done. We are not done. We're gonna learn about grandma, grandpa, all those things, okay? Uncles and aunties. But today, we're going to stop here. Now, I see Oluchi, your hand is up. I'm going to open up the floor for questions. And I'm going to unmute everybody. Please. Achogem bottom means I don't want any noise. Please, no noise. I will unmute everybody. That way, you can ask questions. And don't forget to say your name and say that I have a question in Igbo. Okay, Oluchi ngwa. Oluchi aka gị nọ n'elu. Go ahead. I unmuted everybody.
So I lowered my hand. That was an error.
Ah, okay. O nwere onye nwere ajụjụ?
Mba.
Ajụ.
Ọ bụ onye na-ekwu? Kedu onye ọ? O nwere onye nwere ajụjụ? If you have a question, go on. Don't just feel free. Okay? Don't feel shy. You can ask anything. Please go ahead and ask your question. Now, let me say this. Chima, I'm coming. We have event coming up. And those coming, I'm going to post something this week. Okay? What you're going to do with your siblings, or if you don't have any sibling, or if you don't have a friend, both young adult, I'm going to send your own. The teenagers, send your own. On the teenage children, I'll send your own. Everybody will do their own, but if you're a teenager or and a young adult and you have your siblings with you, you can act with them. You're going to do this exercise with them. So if it's a little, they're all gonna be little skit. You have to know how to say something and respond. So we post it out. You have to do it. Everybody should do it, whether you're coming to the event or not, because we're going to have a slide. It will be projected. And we are going to live stream it as well. But the projection will not be, I don't know. I'm still going to have another parent and young adult meeting. So we're going to discuss all this. So be ready. I will send it out. And when you get it, feel free to ask me questions, okay? So, Chika, no, Chima, you are raising your hand. Chima or Obi. Go ahead. Chika, okay, Chika. I unmuted everybody. You know you can unmute. So unmute yourself and ask question. Chika.
How do you?
No. Gene po aha gị. Don't forget the rule here. You egwa anyị aha gị. Egwa anyị na ị nwere ajụjụ. So say your name and say that I have a question. Both of them in Igbo.
Aha. Mbochika. Okay.
Huh? What is the other word? What is the other sentence? How do you say I have a question? Come on, Chika, you know it. Come on. How do you say I have a question?
Amagem.
Okay, now, this is how you say it. Dalo, at least you said that one right. Good job. So, Chika, I want you to say, Enwerem ajojo.
Enwe ajojo.
Enwerem ajojo.
Enwere ajojo.
Now, listen again, one more time. Enwerem, I want that M to come in. Enwerem ajojo.
Enwere ajojo.
Again, Chika. Enwerem, can you say enwerem?
Enwerem.
There you go. Now put it together. Enwerem ajojo.
Enwerem ajojo.
Awesome. Okay, go ahead.
How do you pronounce my friend's children again?
My friends. Do you mean my friends, the last one, or do you mean the plural one with the S? Which one?
The plural one.
Okay, the plural one, Chika. You say mine means something that belongs to you. Okay, so it's like my friends, and you're talking about 2 or 3 friends you have, and you're talking about all their children. So you say omo nde enyim. Can you say omo nde
Omo.
enyim?
Inde. Enyim.
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 Good. Say it again. Goya ozo. Enyim.
Enyim.
Now I want you to say omo nde enyim.
Omo. Inde. Enyim.
Chika, kọrọ onwe gị aka. Chika, gịnị ka m kwuru? What did I say?
Oh.
What? Remember I said it before when I say, gịnị bụ aka Chika? Chika, gịnị bụ aka?
Clap for your
Self. There you
self.
go. Now you know it. When I say it next time, you know what I say, okay?
Yeah.
Kora onwe gị aka. Clap for yourself. Clap for yourself. Okay? It means kora onwe gị aka. Daalụ Chika. So I want you to say my friend's children again in Igbo. Say it. Chika.
Omo in the enyam.
Enyim.
Enyim.
Okay, Chika. Chika, kora onwe gị aka. I didn't hear you. No, Chika. When I say kora onwe gị aka, what did I say?
Clap for yourself.
Then do it. I want to hear it.
Okay.
All right, good job, Chika. Onye ọzọ nwere ajụjụ. When I said onwere onye ọzọ nwere ajụjụ, it means any other person with a question?
Oh, okay.
Onwere onye nwere ajụjụ. Amarachi, ngwa. You know the rule.
Ahambu Amarachi. Enwere m ajụjụ.
Okay, Amarachi, ngwa jụọ ajụjụ.
How do you say my older sister or my younger sister?
Okay. My older sister. Then let's say the other one. My younger. So you know how to say two of them, okay? My younger brother. How about that, Marachi? Okay. Okay. Now, what is sister? Amarachi, we did it. Remember, what is sister? Sister is one name. Okay, now I want you to put it together. When you're talking about your sibling, you mean one, right? Now, when you add the gender, which is the female, then that's a sister there. One name is that one. Don't forget the gender for a female is one. Okay, gender for a male or a boy or a man is okay. So you're going to say it starts with one name. Remember, I told you the noun comes first, okay? One name, because you put mine. Mine is that name, okay? One name, one. Nuku. Nuku means you're older. Obere means you're younger, okay? One name, one. Nke nuku. You can say one name, one nuku, okay? One name, one. Nuku, okay? Nuku means the bigger one, okay? Something nuku means bigger, okay? Big, okay? Now, one name, okay, obere, your younger one, and your bigger sister, which is senior and junior. All right. My older sister and my younger brother. One name, let me separate it. You can write it together or you can separate the M. It's still the same. One name, nwoke. Now, you put nwoke because the gender for nwoke, which is male, okay? Gender nwoke means male. One name, nwoke, obere. Remember, we say obere means your little one, okay, or smaller person. Not, it doesn't specifically mean that the person is small. No, but that's how you put it or how you represent it. One name, okay, obere. Some people will say nke obere. You don't have to put it, but you can do without it. We can put it in parentheses, but if you like, you can put it. One name, one nke nuku. Some dialects may say something different, okay? But you use it to represent it. You can say, one name one nke nuku. Now, if it's your junior brother, one name nwoke nke obere. Now, Amarachi, let me challenge you here. How do you say my younger sister? Amarachi, I'm challenging you. I want to make sure that you really listened to me and you comprehended what I said. Okay. How do you say my younger sister?
Wanyam.
No,
Wanyam.
no. Now, slow down, okay? I know you know it. Just slow down. Take your time. Now, I want you to tell me my younger sister.
Wanyam. Wanyam. Obere.
There you go. There you go. Amarachi Kora Onwegaka. I'm not hearing it. Amarachi, what did I say? Gini kankuru.
You said clap for yourself.
Now, can you do it? I want to hear it. Awesome. Awesome. Okay, good job.
Dali.
Any other questions? Any other question?
Aha m bụ Ngozi. Enwere m ajụjụ.
Ngwa Ngozi jụọ ajụjụ, daalụ.
I was wondering if I could give you my number so I can add it so you can add it to
Okay.
the group so you
Tell
can send me the messages.
How old are you,
because
Ngozi? Ngozi, how
13.
old are you? Huh?
13.
13. Okay. Can you call me and tell your mom to call me, okay?
Okay, so I can see the messages.
Yeah, because all the minors, I need their parents' permission to add their numbers. As long
Okay.
as your parents say that it's okay. All right. So Ngozi, after this class, call me. I will
Okay.
talk to you, and then I want to talk to your mom or your dad, okay?
Okay.
All right. How do you say thank you?
Dalu.
Email. There you go. All right. So everybody, now listen up. I'm going to send this homework out. And you have from now till Thursday to learn everything. Record yourself and send to the platform, except the young adults. All the young adults, you can record and send to me. If you don't feel comfortable sending it to the forum, please. Okay. Ngwa ka emesịa no. I didn't hear. See you next time. What happened this time?
Audio.
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 All right.
When I